Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be doing an unboxing of Influenster items. So at the end, I'm going to this is one of my favorite, I have one of the favorite packages that I've ever received in here, and I'm so excited to show you guys what it is. But we are going to start with the 7th generation item that they sent me. Y'all know I be struggling with these boxes. Okay, so the first item we have is the 7th generation foaming dish spray. Now, I literally got this dish spray like 2 days after I bought the Dawn like that power wash for the first time. So I was like, oh my gosh, this is like perfect. So I really like 7th generation because a lot of their products are natural and everything like that. So I love to see, like, if this can do the same thing, it's like, well, why buy another brand? So it says 3 powerful grease, like it's a fighting like grease and everything like that. Spray, wipe, rinse. So they always come with the like flyer that says like what it's supposed to do. A safer clean for your toughest messes. And that's like the biggest thing for me. Like, I just like products that don't have too many like chemicals a lot of times. So that's perfect for me. And the scent is in the mandarin orange scent. So I've actually, guilty as charged, I've actually sprayed it just to smell the scent, and I love it. I love it, but maybe it's because I'm biased. I like oranges. I like orange juice, everything. I like the smell of like citrus. So if you do, this is the perfect scent. I do know that they have another scent. I have not smelled that that particular one, but I highly recommend this one. Of course, I had to test it out before I tell y'all, but I usually try to open my boxes for the first time on camera. All right, so let's get into the next product. The next product that we have is from Revlon. I feel like I always open these boxes the wrong way. Absolutely. So this is the Radiant Skin. And they said vivid color. Okay, so we have a foundation, the Illuminance Skin Caring Foundation. It boosts your skin's radiance, and it has hyaluronic acid. Okay, they say it hydrates and moisturizes and reduces the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles in 4 weeks. And they have 28 shades. Okay, so it looks like they're showing their lightest shade and their darkest shade because they want you to know that they have what? Range. Okay, and then they have the Color Stay Suede Ink lipstick, and it's 8 hours of wear, no transfer. They said it's a built-in primer, and they have 18 shades. So I'll let you guys know what shade I have, because for now, okay, so it's called Type A, and I think that's actually really cute. Let me see. Oh, it's obviously not open. Give me 1 second to open it for you guys so we can test out this color. But in the meantime, so this is the shade I chose. And I just want to be clear about when I'm choosing shades. You're choosing it from like you're just eyeballing it. I still think I did a pretty good job, but I'm just saying, like, when you use Influenster, it's not going to be an exact science. You might not get it completely right, but I think that this one is a pretty good color. Does it say? Okay, it says amber. That's the color Amber. So I'm just gonna open this one. I hate, you know what? I have white nails. That is not smart. It really is not. Maybe I could use, I have a glove. I do. Because I want y'all to see what it looks like. I'm just gonna get a glove. And if you ask why I have gloves, 1 for cleaning, 2 for cooking. I use different gloves for different things. These are just the little plastic ones. So let's I should have used one of my new beauty blenders that I have. I'm just trying to see. I'm gonna rub it in, smooth it out. Listen, I just would like to say that I usually don't mess with these colors. I don't, because it blends in perfectly. Now, that's what I really came to see. Of course, I would judge it better off like actually blending it in and everything. I really just kind of wanted to show y'all what color skin tone that would work for it, but it looks like it works for me. And then let's try, I'm gonna get a new glove for the lipstick because yeah, I'm just always like that. Okay, so we're back. I got the sticker off. So let's see what it looks like. This is cute. I like the color. Am I twisting the wrong way? It's cute. It's cute. Like you can see it when it's against the white. Let me see. So it's not a really bright red, right? It's like buildable. I like it. It's subtle. It's not really bright. Even in person, it's like a subtle red. Like you don't have to, it's like not doing too much. And I like that because sometimes the red, I'm not a fan. Like I put on the red and I'm like, you know what? I don't like this. And I take it off. I don't know if anybody else is like that, but I do it all the time. But this one, I think I can put it on, keep it on, not have any issues because it's not like too bright or anything. So I highly recommend it. And look at that, y'all. It is matte already. Like it's going on matte. It's already dry. It's not like creamy. It doesn't like go on like liquidy and then dries matte. That's just what it is. I like it. Of course, I would have to wear it and see how it is with like as far as comparing it to like the 8 hours that they're saying that it is, but I really like the color. And if you do, comment below. And most importantly, guys, do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe, okay? And the last item that we have, this is the one that I'm most excited about. So happy because I needed one. In just a moment, we'll be opening that. Okay, guys, so this is the item that I am most excited to show you guys. Okay, I was like, listen, when I got the notification that this was on the way, I was excited. Okay, now this is literally the initial unboxing. You can see I haven't even opened. Okay, nothing. It is still in the plastic. Can we get a close-up of it? Look at the box. The marketing, top tier. That's all top tier. And it just says like what I need to do, my instructions. So I know I've been telling you guys for to sign up for Influencer for over a year now, because that's how long I've been on YouTube. If this is not proof to go sign up for Influencer, I don't know what is. Okay, I don't know what's gonna do it for y'all. I don't think anything's gonna do it if you don't sign up after this. I'm gonna put my link to Influencer in the video. Okay, I am. We have the Nano Titanium Babyliss Pro. I hope that's how you say it. So this is my first one, actually. I have been in need of a new flat iron. Okay, they gave me the 1 1/4 dual ionic flat iron. Just look at the color. Remember earlier I was telling you guys that blue is my favorite color, and it is. And I feel like the camera does not even do the blue justice, but it's so beautiful. I'm so excited. And when I say, we know how much this flat iron is. You guys already know. I've been looking at some really good flat irons, and I was like, oh, I'm gonna really have to get one in the next 2 weeks when I get my hair done. Nope, there's one already on the way. So let me get this out of the packaging so I can really show y'all. So I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back, guys. And one thing I want to clarify, because I've had people ask me, oh, do you have to send the items that you receive back? Do you have to send anything back? No. Anything they send to you, you keep. I.e., me keeping this Babyliss Pro. Look at it. Perfect. So perfect. I love this so much. I really, really do. So cute. I'm so excited. I'm so excited to use this, guys. And the heat settings go up to 450. So that's perfect for me. Perfect, perfect, perfect. And you see the box, it has the clouds. I'm so excited. I think I'm about to make a video like flat ironing just to show y'all how good the flat iron is. Like my wig. Again, this is proof. You need to sign up for Influencer today. Today, because they're giving free stuff like every week. I get packages all the time. But thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe. I've got big things coming up for this channel. And I'm just so grateful for you guys. Thanks so much. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.